In the warm, shallow waters of Moalboal, an ancient resident moves slowly through the reef, the green sea turtle. These reptiles have survived mass extinctions and dramatic changes in the planet's oceans. Today, they remain vital engineers of coral reef ecosystems. Along the reef slopes of Panagsama Beach, green turtles are present year-round. Many individuals remain for months or even years, returning repeatedly to the same feeding grounds. Their loyalty is driven by abundance. These reefs provide a steady supply of algae and seagrass, sustained by nutrient-rich currents. As herbivores, green turtles spend much of their day grazing. This constant feeding prevents algae from overwhelming coral colonies, preserving space for reefs to grow and recover. But the turtle's role extends beyond feeding. As turtles slow down or rest, smaller reef fish gather around them. Wrasses, surgeonfish, and other species pick algae, parasites, and dead skin from the turtle's shell and flippers. These cleaning stations are critical points of cooperation on the reef, linking large, slow-moving animals with smaller, fast-moving fish in a mutually beneficial exchange. Green turtles are also frequently seen drifting calmly through Moalboal's famous sardine clouds. They do not hunt the fish, yet their presence reflects a shared environment shaped by nutrient cycling. The sardines recycle nutrients through the water, stimulating algal growth, indirectly supporting the turtle's food supply. Nearby, other partnerships unfold. Sea anemones shelter clownfish in a classic example of mutualism, one species offering protection, the other delivering nutrients and improved water flow. At any given time, dozens of individual turtles may inhabit the Moalboal coastline. Their continued presence is not accidental. Local conservation efforts restrict fishing, prohibit harassment, and promote respectful wildlife encounters. Guides educate visitors, and injured turtles are reported rather than disturbed. For snorkelers and divers, protection begins with restraint. When left undisturbed, turtles resume feeding, surfacing calmly before returning to the reef, conserving energy essential for growth, reproduction, and migration. Just a few hours from Cebu City, Moalboal offers more than a wildlife encounter. Here, green sea turtles are not just visitors, they are caretakers, quietly maintaining the balance of a living reef.
Like, subscribe, follow for more.
Because you're never too old to explore.